Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's chocolate soufflé, starting with the crucial first step, preparing your soufflé dishes. This preparation is vital for achieving that impressive rise. You will need to brush 4 200 ml dishes completely with softened, unsalted butter. After chilling them for 5 minutes, apply a second coat. Finally, dust each dish with a little grated chocolate, rolling it around to ensure an even lining. This creates a non-stick surface and helps the soufflé climb beautifully. Next, we'll create the rich, decadent chocolate base for your soufflé. Begin by melting 113 grams of chopped semi-sweet chocolate with 56 grams of unsalted butter over a double boiler until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of corn flour. Now, combine 1 egg yolk and 1 whole egg, then beat in half of the flour mixture to form a smooth paste. Gradually stir the hot chocolate mixture into this paste, then return it to the pan and cook for 5 minutes, stirring constantly until it becomes a smooth, thick paste. Allow it to cool, beating occasionally. Now for the magic that gives soufflés their incredible lift, the meringue. Whisk 6 medium egg whites with 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar until soft peaks begin to form. Gradually add 38 grams of granulated sugar, continuing to whisk until you achieve glossy, stiff peaks. This is crucial for structure. Next, gently fold 1/3 of this airy meringue into your cooled chocolate base to lighten the mixture. Then, carefully fold in the remaining meringue in 2 additions, being very gentle to preserve all that wonderful air. This ensures a light and fluffy soufflé. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Spoon the chocolate mixture into your prepared soufflé dishes, filling them about 3/4 full. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the soufflés for 12 to 15 minutes. They should rise beautifully, have a slightly wobbly center, and be set on top. Remember, soufflés wait for no one, so serve them immediately for the best experience, perhaps with a spoonful of single cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.